Hello everyone, today we will go through the section 3.4 of the switch user manual. By using the Vlan function we divide the LAN into multiple independent logical networks, to achieve data isolation and secure transmission, making it more convenient for management and maintenance. First, let's check out the Vlan settings in the Vlan function. Log into the web management interface of the switch. After entering the main interface of the switch, click on the Vlan option on the left and you will see the options under Vlan settings. The management Vlan ID can be selected to designate a specific Vlan as the management Vlan. The management Vlan ID is the Vlan ID of the CPU interface, and only the member port of the management Vlan can ping and access the switch. Under static Vlan, a user can create a new static Vlan with a unique ID and a name assigned to it. The static Vlan setting allows for the partitioning of Vlan ports. T represents tagged. After selecting the T tag, Vlan can be marked, and data will be transmitted to the aggregation switch through the port of the T tag. U represents untagged, and after selecting U, the port can be divided into different Vlans. After dividing the ports, click Submit to save the settings. Select Vlan port settings option under the Vlan settings drop-down on the top. This interface allows users to set Vlan port parameters for specific ports. PVID is an abbreviation of Port Vlan ID. For ease identification, we can change it to the Vlan ID after we divide the ports into Vlans. Tunnel mode can encapsulate data in a tunnel through the 802.1q protocol when transferring data from one port to another to provide greater security. Ether type represents the network mode, which can meet the needs of special packet types. It is not recommended to modify this setting for normal use. Accept frame type is used to define which types of data frames can be accepted and forwarded to ports, in order to control the filtering and forwarding rules of data packets. Ingress filtering represents entrance filtering, which helps Vlan engines filter out unwanted traffic on ports. After enabling entrance filtering, the port will check whether the incoming frames belong to its declared Vlan. Select Vlan status option under the Vlan settings drop-down on the top. This interface displays the current status of the user's Vlan, including the Vlan ID, name, status, and exit rules of the port. For detailed information, please refer to this table in the video. Thank you for watching.